Beautiful, beautifully ornamented. Oh. Kamakshi Amman Ekambaranathar Temple here, under maintenance. Oh. It is not possible to come inside, it is closed. There is a very angry man that says, go away, not go to church. Shit. Holy shit, man. Kamakshi Amman Temple in Kanchipuram. Beautiful, beautifully ornamented. Oh. Temple merchandise and the wonderful tree here. The only merchandise place in front of the big, beautiful temple. Kamakshi Amman. This is a beautiful, beautiful area here.
Which country?
Denmark. Denmark, Europe. Are you here from Kanchipuram?
Yes, yes.
You live here?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
How many days are you come for trip?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
All temples you visited?
In Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah.
After Kerala, you come to Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. Ekambaranathar Temple here. Under maintenance. Oh. Holy temple cows in the shadow. Ganesha and shadow. Shadowing trees. It is not possible to come inside, it is closed. There is a very angry man that says, go away, not go to church. Shit. Holy shit, man. Kanchipuram.
Kanchipuram.
It's a very busy town.
Yes.
It is a
Very old city.
very old city, yes. Temples 1,500 years old.
Yes.
And now we say bye-bye, Kanchipuram.